It was almost the end of our Macau trip, and I had one thing on my mind, and that is to have an NBD trick on Macau's signature spot. The headspace I felt during that moment was like purely grateful. Kasi it's like a feeling na I need to get this done feeling nung na-roll ko yung kickback back 50. Kaya nung nakuha ko na, that was the moment. Like, I really felt relieved. Kasi every time na tinatry ko yung banger, sobrang talaga nakakatakot. Kaya, napasigaw talaga ako nung nakuha ko siya.